Now today we have new problems. This Dulanja tail
पेंसिल ले ले ऐसा मत पेंसिल पेंसिल
पेंसिल है ये पेंसिल तो
ये वाला
वो पेज में नहीं घुसेगा.
So this tail the motor was born due to some electrical problem. This motor was new. This motor installed 2 months ago. Now we already removed the motor and installed another motor. But as we check the unit, we found that this relay had stuck up. Sometimes the relay contact will not open. Let's continue. This is the power supply. It continue give when the switch is on, power supply here. The power from battery will jump here and go inside the motor. And this is for the ground, the negative supply. So this relay, even the switch is off, sometimes the relay continue to give supply to this terminal, and motor continue work. It causes the motor to burn like this.
पेज तो ले आ जा
So we replace the motor, then we will also replace the relay. We will install this relay.
गंदे वाले ले लेना
Let's change this 24 volts, as you see. Just 24 volts, and we will also put additional fuse to the battery. Our battery is 24 volts. Our battery supply is 24 volts also. The positive, negative, positive, negative. So 12 volts connected in series. We have 24 volts. So we will add this fuse. This is the supply for tail lift. This is the tail lift supply. This is the tail lift supply. The supply. So we will add the fuse. This is the fuse for tail lift. This is 200 ampere fuse. Maximum capacity 58 volts. So hopefully we will pick this one here, and this cable will be fixed here. And then we still have other problem with the main switch. This main switch, the power from battery, and this terminal going to battery, this terminal going to motor relay. This terminal going here, this terminal going here, and this terminal from battery. So from battery, this is the main switch. Last time this main switch have is from inside, so we decided to change.
सही है, पीछे ही जाएगा, कौन सा आगे रहेगा.
इसलिए मैं
The new one.
वासर भी है ये दे करेगा तो
This
इससे
is
भी
the
छोटा है
original one, but now we already modified and put this one.
बोला था लंबा जाने के लिए इसलिए मैं
सही है, पीछे ही जाएगा, लंबा कौन सा आगे करेगा.